Hello there. In this video, you will learn how to access VMware using your internet browser. The first thing you are going to do is go to your search bar and type in vdi.losrios.edu. This will send you to the VMware Horizon page, where you will select the link on the bottom right of the icon. You will then need to type in your W number and student password. This will connect you to the Horizon client. From here, you will be able to connect to your desired ARC department server. Once you have connected to the server, you can press the Windows icon in the bottom left of the screen. This will show you all of the programs available to you through the ARC server. By selecting this tab that is sticking out on the left side of your screen, you are able to view the server you are connected to and any other servers available to you. In the top section, you can see the current server that is running. By clicking on the icon next to the server, you are able to log off or close the server. Similarly, the icon on the top right of this panel allows you to log out of your connection to Horizon, which will send you back to the original web page. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.